Hey, it's Dominic here, back with another video. Yesterday I've showed you this channel named Honus that is making over $4,000 in the last 28 days. Now what I've break down in the last video is their thumbnail style and how you can recreate the same thumbnail to kind of replicate their success. Now today's video I'm going to be doing sort of a follow-up, but I'm going to be talking about the scripting. Now, if you want to watch the last video, I'm going to put a link of that video down below so you can click on it. Now, let's talk about the scripting. For the scripting, we are going to break down the structure into three simple key points, which is one is the act, the second, or what I mean is the act one, and then the act two and act three. The first act is the hook. The hook is the first 30 seconds of the video. And what the hook primary goal is to give the viewers sort of a promise or give the viewers of what they should expect. And with that, it should create an engaging feeling or create engagement and grabs the attention of the viewers. And when you are able to grab the attention of the viewers, they will want to watch for the next part of the videos, which is the core component of the content or the body. And inside of the body is where you should promise or deliver on that promise that you've promised on the hook, right? And lastly is the outro. The outro is simple enough. It's just the way you want to end your video. Maybe you could end it with a CTA of telling the viewers to subscribe, like the videos, or whatever that is you are trying to tell the viewers. Now, let's talk about the methodologies that you could use to analyze your competitor's scripting. We are going to leverage the technology of AI, and the specific AI that we are going to use is Gemini. What I did is I took one of the videos, get the URL, and throw it into Gemini and tell it to analyze the video with the structure of Act 1, Act 2, and Act 3 that we've just discussed, right? Now, here's what the AI output is, right? It breaks down the Act 1 with the hooks. Here's what it breaks down, and the Act 2, the content body. Now, we can understand that this video follows a list-based format, and the list base follows another mini structure, which is first introducing the creatures, then a simple description, then a historical context, a modern relevance, and then a conclusion, right? For example, when discussing about Loch Ness Monster, the script mentioned the first record sighting is in 565 AD, and the infamous surgeon's photo holds from 1533. Right? This structure approach ensured a consistent and easy to follow narrative throughout the videos. And then here's the outro. Now, leveraging the tools of AI, you could analyze almost any videos of your competitors in just an instant. And it saves you way more time and energy, right? Time and energy, which is your most valuable resources that you definitely want to save. Let's even go deeper into this video. And
have you ever wondered what if some mythical creatures are actually real?
Now, inside the video, you can see right here, right at the beginning of the hook, you can see that they start with an opening question or a question that evokes curiosity, right? Have you ever wondered what if some mythical creatures are actually real? And it kind of sends a message to the viewer right away, like, oh, is there actually a mythical creatures that are actually real? And it's just kind of, the questions just kind of stick to the viewers throughout the videos. And then starting from
the first creature we're talking about,
the 24th seconds is where the body is, right? And all the way to this part, right? All the way to here is where, okay, I'm not a scientist. What's the math here?
We're monsters. And that's a wrap. We've just explored 7 legendary creatures that have.
And that's where the outro is, right? It's just a conclusion. Yeah, that's simply how you kind of analyze the scripting structure of a competitor videos. Hope you find that helpful, and that's it. See ya.